Using LinkedIn to find clients often feels pushy and ineffective, doesn't it? What if 60% of premium buyers would pay more for your expertise before you ever send a pitch? The key is your personal profile, which generates up to 8 times more engagement than a company page. The secret is to stop selling harder and start creating a system that attracts clients to your expertise. We will build that system step by step: mindset, content, and the signals that turn prospects into clients. So, where do we begin? First, we define exactly who you are talking to before you post anything. Define your ideal client profile, their industry, challenges, and goals. Without this clarity, your content is just noise. With your ICP defined, your profile becomes a landing page. Your headline must state the solution you provide to their biggest problem. This is the first mental shift. Stop attracting everyone. Focus only on getting attention from your ideal clients. This focus lets you humanize your brand. Share real stories. People connect with people, not faceless logos. Your profile is optimized and your mindset is focused. So, what content actually builds real authority? Your content's goal is to position you as a niche expert. But how do you prove that without simply stating it? The mechanism is niche-specific value. Generic business tips get low engagement from the clients you actually want. Posts on specific industry challenges receive much higher engagement from the right people. Specificity signals true expertise. Sharing these targeted insights consistently builds trust. Your audience sees you as a reliable source, the foundation for premium pricing. So, back to our question. You prove your expertise by demonstrating it. Here are 2 effective methods to do that right now. First, share client success stories as mini case studies. Frame it as, here's a client's problem and the framework we use to solve it. You are teaching. Second, present the same core message in different formats. An insight becomes a text post, then a carousel, then a short video. Your content engine is running. Posting alone is not enough. How do you turn viewers into actual conversations? First rule, never pitch in a connection request. Personalize it by referencing their post or a shared interest to stand out. Second rule, do not pitch after they accept. Your goal is simply building familiarity. Thank them and let your content work. Third rule, engage before you connect. Warm outreach, like thoughtful comments, gets 2 to 3 times the response rate. A great place for this is niche LinkedIn groups. Go there to answer questions and provide solutions, not to post links. While you engage and post, you must watch for buying signals. This is the key to avoiding a pushy approach. A buying signal is more than a like. It's an ideal client asking a question or stating, this is exactly our problem. When you see this signal, you can move to DMs. You don't pitch. You say, I have a resource on that topic. May I send it over? Now let's connect all the pieces. This is how the system truly works together to attract clients. Remember that optimized profile? When a prospect sees a buying signal, they click your name. Your profile then confirms your value. We know personal profiles get 8 times the engagement. The authority you build with niche content is attached to you, the person. This creates a client attraction flywheel. Niche content demonstrates authority, attracting ideal clients and building trust through engagement. By the time you discuss services, the client is already convinced. The conversation shifts from a sales call to a strategy session. The fundamental shift is from being a hunter who chases clients to being a magnet that attracts them. Recall that 60% of buyers will pay more for proven expertise. Your LinkedIn profile should be the proof of that expertise. Your first step today, rewrite your LinkedIn headline. State the problem you solve for the specific person you help. This one change starts your shift from seller to authority. Share in the comments the one adjustment you plan to make.